This is the story of David and Goliath, which has taught us that an apparently superior and invincible enemy can be destroyed by means of a small and simple weapon handled with skill. Only permanent and realistic practice enables a soldier to strike a tank with an anti-tank weapon under war conditions. This can only be achieved with intense training with Nico equipment. Nico and its 300 workmen have been working in this area since 1949. The development and production of training systems is realized in Trittau near Hamburg. The sub-caliber ammunition is permanently adapted to the latest ballistic requirements, enabling us to offer training systems suitable for almost all types of weapons. Modern sub-caliber ammunition must have the following characteristics: safety, realistic handling of weapon and ammunition, simulation of firing report, marking of flight path by tracer, realistic ballistic curve as with live rounds, as well as economy of operation. Production and quality control at Nico is done according to military standard AQAP4 or similar requirements. Each sabot is marked with date of production and consecutive numbers. Intense testing practice is part of the permanent control program of the system components. The finished sabot has to go in for a provisional final examination at strict norms specified by our customers, guaranteeing the standard of quality he requires. The cross-section shows the function of the firing procedure. Working within strict rules of safety, Nico established a mechanical production method in some fields of the production. Because of safety requirements, not all of the manual work can be dropped. As soon as the second part of the system of the sub-caliber cartridge has been manufactured, the sabot and the training cartridge go for a final inspection test. Here are the different kinds of weapons for which we can offer training systems. For the bazooka, Nico introduced the first training system ready for serial production. The ignition of the sub-caliber cartridge is affected by an electrical impulse. The anti-tank weapon M72, normally used as an expendable weapon, optimally experienced in training with our practice equipment, can also be used. Every weapon used for training purposes can be armed with live ammunition at any time. One characteristic of the Armbrust is that training ammunition as well as live ammunition can be fired out of rooms or other restricted spaces, and the firing report is exactly the same as with an original weapon. This weapon is still in the development stage, but Nico has already developed a system of training. Special attention must be paid to a new ignition system. The flight path can be observed very clearly. All our systems include weapon handling as with an actual weapon. The subcaliber cartridge is fired by an activating cartridge, and the launching is without recoil. This light and reliable weapon has been introduced into more than 40 countries. Permanent dialogue between user and producer has led to the development of the training system. This weapon has been adopted in great quantities, enabling Nico to offer to its users training possibilities at a reasonable price through the development of the corresponding training system. Customers all over the world prefer Nico's products because of their reliability and their high standard of quality. They are continually approaching us with their special wishes, which we try to realize when possible. Nico Pyrotechnik's leading role in the market of subcaliber training systems has been confirmed and maintained by continuing discussions.